Hello everyone, Eric Chen here. Today I went to a courthouse in Rockville for Montgomery County to transfer some real estate title into trust. And funny thing is, the lady that works at the courthouse told me that it's getting more and more popular for people to transfer title into trust, but she doesn't know why. And she thought having a will in place will be sufficient to make sure that her family gets her properties, her assets. And I told her, yes, if your goal is simply to transfer assets to your family, then a will might be sufficient. But if you want to protect your assets against future creditors of your family, then a trust would be the option to go. And she agrees. And she told me that a lot of times when court gets involved in your assets, in your family, usually it's not a good thing, because the judge doesn't know you or your family, and the results from those legal proceedings are usually pretty ugly and messy. So yeah, that's why I want to raise awareness that if you want to avoid a lot of legal issues or troubles down the road, having written instructions on how to distribute your assets and how to make sure your assets go to right people, it would be a good idea to do that ahead of time in writing to avoid any future problem or family conflicts. And to transfer real estate property to trust, it's a fairly straightforward process. So if you already have some kind of documents in place, or if you have your trust done, but you just haven't had a chance to transfer title to the trust, it's fairly straightforward, and I can help you with that if you have any questions.